This might be one of the most unique brow pencils that I have ever seen. This is from Thread and it's called the Define It 3-in-1 Brow Styler. And the shade is right here. This is deep brown. So first off, like normal, you have the brow pencil. It's shaped like a triangle, so you have that nice defined edge to make those little hair-like strokes. In the middle, if you twist it off, you have a spoolie so you can brush your hairs up. And then on the very end, you twist off and you have a clear brow gel with a really, really tiny spoolie. I'm going to brush the hairs up and then let's do a little bit of filling in. The color looks pretty spot on for my brows. So it looks like it's really just blending into my brow hairs. I like that it comes off a little more powdery than waxy. And it's not too pigmented to where you get too much pigment at once, then you have to like try and blend it and fix it. So I feel like I created a pretty good brow with this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the clear brow gel. Okay, the brow is looking actually really freaking snatched. So the brows are completed and I think they look really good. I'm really happy with the way they turned out. The clear brow gel, I would say, is a very light hold. It doesn't hold very much. It might keep your brow hairs in place for a little bit, but they'll probably move. It's not very strong. And this retails for $8. So for $8, I think actually it's pretty good and I would definitely use this again.